Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Here you have to do the passages. The passage number 1 you can see at the page number 150. It is the chapter number 6, the Dashera festival. You have already read about it. Again you can read one time. In India, many festivals are celebrated with great zeal. Dashera is one of them. It is also called Vijayadashmi. According to Hindu calendar, Dashera occurs on the 10th day of Ashwin month, Shukla Paksh. On this day, Lord Ram got victory over Ravan, the king of Lanka. He kidnapped Ram's wife Sita and took her to Lanka. This led to a fierce battle between Ram and Ravan, which ended with the defeat of Ravan and his army. Dashera is celebrated in honor of Ram's victory. So here you can see some word meaning. Now, first of all, you have to write the passage in your notebook. Then you have to do the question answer. So let's start the question number 1. This paragraph is about Dashera, Ravan, Ram, Hindus. So this paragraph is about Dashera. So Dashera is the right option. Question number 2. What are celebrated in India? That means क्या इंडिया में सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं? So you know many festivals are celebrated in India. The number 3. When does Dashera occur? Dashera occurs on the 10th day of Ashwin month, Shukla Paksh. Student, if you read the paragraph truly or very carefully, then you can find out the answers very easily. So read it 2 or 3 times. What happened on this day? On this day, Lord Rama got victory over Ram. Who kidnapped Ram's wife? Ravan kidnapped Ram's wife. See the next. Where was Sita taken to? Sita was taken to Lanka. कहाँ लेके गया था वो सीता को? सीता को taken to Lanka. Who defeated whom in the battle? Ram defeated Ravan in the battle. Okay students, so here it is complete question passage number 1. Now you can see the passage number 2. In many parts of India, Ram Leela is organized during Navratris from Ashwin Shukla Pratipada to Dashmi. Ram Leela describes the story of Ram in the form of drama. Every day, many scenes of Ram's life such as Narad Mukh, Ram Jan, Ram Vivah, Ram Vanvas, Tadka Vad, Panchvati scene, Sita Haran, Hanuman Milan, burning of Lanka, Setu Nirman and Ram Ravan Yudh are enacted on the stage. Hanuman's get-up attracts everyone, especially the children. So it is the passage number 2. Read it thoroughly. Then you can see the questions. Whose get-up attracts everyone? Yes, you can give answer very easily. Ram's, Hanuman, Sita's, Ravan. So Hanuman's get-up attracts everyone, especially the children. Where is Ram Leela organized? Ram Leela is organized in many parts of India. Okay. How does Ram Leela describe the story of Ram? Ram Leela describes the story of Ram in the form of drama. You can see in the passage, line 2 in passage 2. You can find out what is Tadka Vad. So, what is Tadka Vad? But Tadka Vad is one of the scene of Ram's life. Tadka Vad क्या है? एक राम की लाइफ का ही एक पार्ट है. From whose life is the scene of Narad Mukh taken? Whose life? किसकी लाइफ से लिया हुआ है? Very simple. From Ram's life, the scene of Narad Mukh taken, and you can write this answer like this ki the scene of Narad Moh is taken from Ram's life. You have to give the full answer. Okay, next, where are these scenes enacted? These scenes are enacted on the stage. And what is the children's favorite character? So the children's favorite character is Hanuman. Okay students, here I know and you also know that there are answers, but don't try to cheat. First try to find out or solve it yourself, then match from the answers. It will help you to create your writing part. Okay, here you can see the passage number 3. On the 10th day, large effigies of Ravan, his son Meghnad, and his brother Kumbhakarna are erected on a big ground. These effigies are stuffed with firecrackers. In the evening, people begin to assemble to see Ravan Dahan and fireworks. Fairs are organized at various places on this auspicious occasion. Children enjoy themselves in many ways. They play the roles of various characters like Ram, Hanuman, Rakshas, using handmade paper arms and masks. Okay students, so it is the passage number 3. Now see the question answer. First of all, you have to write the passage in your notebook, then do the question answer in your notebook. Okay, so see the number 1. People gather to see, means people किस लिए gather होते हैं? Gather means इकट्ठा होना. क्या देखने के लिए? Dances, movies, plays or fireworks. Yes, the right answer is fireworks. On which day are the effigies erected? कब erect किया जाता है effigies को? Yes, you have to write here full answer. On the 10th day, effigies are erected, or you can write like this: the effigies are erected on the 10th day. Where are they erected? They are erected on a big ground. What are these effigies stuffed with? These effigies are stuffed with firecrackers. So you have to write like this. Don't give in a one word answer. Who was Kumbhakarna? Kumbhakarna was Ravan's son. And who was Meghnad? Meghnad was Ravan's son. Then who was Kumbhakarna? Kumbhakarna was Ravan's brother. Or when do fireworks take places? Fireworks take places in the evening. Okay, so you have to do in your notebook. Here you can see the passage number 4. At sunset, Ram and Lakshman come in a chariot with Vanar Sena. Ram shoots arrow at the effigies. The effigies catch fire and burn to ashes. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. People in some areas of Rajasthan go to greet one another. Dussehra is a symbol of victory of good over evil. So read it very carefully, then do the question answer. You have to write also the passage in your notebook. Number 1, this passage is about, किसके बारे में है? Chariot, Vanar Sena, effigies or Dussehra? Yes, the whole chapter is related to Dussehra. Dussehra is the right answer. How do Ram Lakshman come? Ram Lakshman come in a chariot. कैसे आते हैं राम लक्ष्मण? Chariot यानी रथ में आते हैं. Who comes with Ram and Lakshman? Vanar Sena comes with Ram and Lakshman. Who shoots the effigies? Ram shoots the effigies. What happened when after shooting the arrows? The effigies catch fire and burn to ashes. Fireworks and crackers explode in the air. See the next. What do people do in some area of Rajasthan on Dussehra? People in some area of Rajasthan go to greet each other on Dashera. What is Dashera a symbol of? किसका सिंबल है? दशहरा इज अ सिंबल ऑफ विक्ट्री ऑफ गुड, यानी अच्छाई की जीत ओवर इविल, बुराई पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो you have to write the passage, then you have to do the question answer in your notebook and try to do it yourself. Thank you. Is passing through the box. Okay, so now look at the image below and fill suitable preposition in the given boxes. At the down you can see some pictures. First you can use in because the ball is in the box. The second you can use above, on, because it is touching the surface. And number 3 you can use under the box. Number 4 you can say beside, and number 5 you can see behind, and number 6 is in front of, and the number 7 is between. So you can say like this: the ball is in the box, the ball is on the box, the ball is under the box, the ball is beside the box, the ball is behind the box. Behind means पीछे. The ball is in front of the box, that means आगे. The ball is between the boxes. So boxes यानी दो के बीच में है, so we can use between. Okay students, so you have to do all the exercises only in the book. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today is the activity time, so we are going to start activity first. Number A is choose the correct alternative. It is on the page number 153. So open it in your book. Which festival is also called Vijay Dashmi? Deepavali, Holi, Dashera, Rakhi. Yes, you write. The C option is right, Dashera. Number 2, Dashera is the festival of. Number A, victory of good. B, victory of evil. C, victory of immoral. D, victory of Rakshas. Yes, it is the option A is right, victory of good, यानी अच्छाई की जीत. Okay students, now see the B. Write yes in bracket if you are agree, no if you don't agree. Okay, so Dashera comes in Krishna Paksha. Is it right? No, it is wrong. Ram Leela describe the story of Ram. Yes. Dashera is celebrated on Ashwin Shukla Dashmi. Yes, it is right. We should follow good and give up evil. Yes, it is also right. हमें बुराइयों का त्याग give up करना चाहिए and follow good. Good अच्छाई को follow करना चाहिए. Hanuman's get-up attracts children. Number 5 is also yes. Okay student, you need not to do the question answer. Now you can see the activity number 2. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Here you can see some words in a box and you have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct one. So we explored dash on Deepavali. क्या एक्सप्लोर करते हैं? Yes, crackers. Cracker is the right option. Number 2, actors come on the stage and dash their act, perform their act. Children like to wear mask of their favorite character. Children like to wear mask of their favorite characters. Number 4, India got dash over Pakistan in Kargil war. India got victory. Arjun aimed his dash at the bird's eye. Arjun aimed his arrow at the bird's eye. So after this you can see the activity number 3. In activity number 3, look at this picture and observe the position of the mouse and the owl. Here you can see two boxes, and in two boxes there are many boxes. So you have to observe their position. You can see in the first image the mouse is under the box. The second, the mouse is over the box. So under we use then when anything is the down of some object, and over is we use over then when the thing is above from any object and it doesn't touch to that object. The mouse is in the box. It is clear when something is inside the object. And like this you can see the next, the mouse is on the box. On the box we use then anybody is touching the surface. Next, in front of we use then when something is in front of means आगे. अगर कोई किसी चीज के आगे है then you can use in front of. Behind means पीछे, and next to means पास में. Okay students, so you can see and you can say the mouse is in front of the box, the mouse is behind the box, and the mouse is next to the box. Next to means उस चीज के पास में. Like this you can see in that the second image, the owl. The owl is on the block, the owl is under the block, the owl is next to the block, the owl is in front of block, the owl is behind the block, the owl is between the block. Between we use then when something is in the middle between two things. जब कोई दो चीज के बीच में है then you can use between. And around we use then we are talking about all around, यानी चारों तरफ की अगर बात होगी you can see in that arrow, so we can you can say the owl is around the block. And through means होता है से, like the owl is through the box. Owl is